Alright. I probably need to get a microphone because my fingers, every time I move them, make noise. Now we're driving towards the mountain, Franklin Mountains. It's quite nice because there's so many darn clouds on them. Let's go check it out. Starting to sprinkle a little bit. And I'll pull over and take some nice shots of the car. Hope I don't get stuck in all this fucking mud. Kind of far away from the car, so I cannot see how dirty it is. So it's a 2006 base model. I don't think it's Z51 even though it has the brakes. But I got her about 2.5 years ago with 21,500 miles. My good friend Justin helped me buy because I did not know how to drive her, so I flew out to Utah with him. And he taught me how to drive manual and stuff, you know. Very patient with me. But now she has about 45, almost 46,000 miles on her. So pretty reliable other than the harmonic balancer. I also got the roof. The last few days have been very windy, so it's pretty dusty. I usually wipe her down whenever I get a chance. This is the thing that was kind of leaking, but it seems like it's fine. I got this new cap for it with the new seal. It's been working good. I love the way that hood opens. I don't know if you can see from here the harmonic balancer, but she's looking good. Everything I try to keep here for the most part clean, but it rained a few nights ago, you know. What else was I gonna say? Oh, let me try to change the angle. Nice and warm. Just a little chilly outside. Close this up. I also got her lowered on aftermarket bolts from VMS, I believe. They're just really squeaky, but I feel like I got used to it. Then I got these tail lights that are my favorite. They got this LED ring. Then when I hit the brakes, all these little other LEDs light up real bright. I changed my own brake pads and rotors, but I didn't. It was my first time ever doing it, so I didn't even know about the zinc plated rotors. I thought they were all like that, but these were uncoated, so they get rusty, and I think they look pretty ugly. So I already got the paint and stuff at home. I'm just kind of lazy to do it, and I can't wait to get new tires. I think it'll be kind of soon. Yeah. And of course she's a 6-speed manual, because what the fuck is the point, huh? I mean, unless you're all out race boy, but you gotta have a lot of money in your wallet. I don't have that kind of money yet. Holy cow, that's a lot of rocks on the road. Look, another big rock. Oh my god. Alrighty, up ahead, I don't know if you guys can see, there's one of these speed traps, but does anyone else get really excited when you see them and you just want to take off? Those metal plates. Oh shit, there's a guy wanting a challenge. Challenge is to lose control and crash in the rain. Challenge not accepted, buddy. Alright. Oh shit, where am I? What the fuck? Oh, let's put these windows up. Fucking water's falling in this bitch. Oh shit. Oh my god. Oh man. Yeah, like I said, it's really tempting. It's really tempting. Especially in the rain. It's kind of tempting to just floor in the rain because it's easy on the tires and pretty much everything else, I feel, but fucking crash and all that bullshit. Not today, thank you though. Just a sandwich only, ma'am. Thank you. And a small water. Love that shit. Oh shit. I almost didn't see this guy over here. I almost crashed. I'm probably just gonna park here. I don't know. Pulled over here because it is fucking foggy. Look at that. Can't see anything. Ooh, all this fucking water's falling in here. I have so much crap. I just want to get a quote and then I have my Chick-fil-A trash I gotta get rid of. I don't know, I think there's trash here. I'm gonna go outside for a little bit. Just to show you. Can't see shit. The other day I spent so much time keeping this car such a nice detail. This is a nice little drive up the mountain. I'm expecting a pretty important phone call though, so I can get some new tires. This next few months, I hope. I don't want to get them now because I think I could still make these last. So, ooh, look at that. I think they're about to close the road down because look at this shit. Oh my god. This guy's fucking hauling ass. Look at that. And he's gone. What if there's a fucking wall right there? There was a screw there that did not puncture the tire. back here. It looks so cute. All right, wish me luck. Can't see shit. Look at that. Oh, the Miata.